Second theorem. Okay, this part of math, it's quite being a long journey. We've done a lot of theorems, we've solved so many second theorems, and we are here now. So if you're just beginning to follow us, first thing, don't forget to subscribe. Second thing, you need to see other videos on second theorem that we've done in the past. So this is our last video currently, explaining each theorems one by one and how to apply them in each question. So if you've not seen other ones, then you need to go see them before this one, because this is our last video on second theorem. Okay, so let's dive in. So this second theorem says the angle between a tangent and chord is equal. You remember what a tangent is, right? A line that meets a circle outside at the circumference. Okay, so you can see our line C now, right? This is our tangent, our line C. This is our tangent, T, A, or AT, that's our tangent. Okay, so next is when a chord and a tangent meets, they are known as alternate segments theorem. Okay, so this is the tangent and this is the chord. This is also a chord and this is also a chord, right? They divide the circle. So those are chords. Okay, but we are looking at this and this line and this line, okay, or this line and this line. All right, so those are our chord. Now the theorem says the angle between a tangent and a chord is equal to the angle in the alternate segments. Okay, so this chord now divide this circle into segments. This is minor segments, right? This is major segment. Remember, this is like this. It's just like this, right? Okay, then this is the chord. So this is minor segments and this is major segments. So this is telling us that if a tangent meets a circle here, the angle here, this angle here, will be equal to the angle that will be formed anywhere in this segment. So you see another angle was then formed for us here and here. So this is the alternate segments, right? So the angle was formed here. So this angle and this angle are equal, and that's why in this angle we have x and x, showing that they are both equal. So let's solve a problem here. Let's solve a problem that involves this theorem. So here is our question. Let's look at this question. So this angle, we can see a tangent and a chord. We can see a chord, we can see the minor segment, and we can see the major segment, right? Okay, so now we have this angle in this segment is 80 degrees, and we have the angle in the other segment to be h, and we're asked to find h. So h is equal to 80 degrees because of this angle between a tangent and a chord is equal to, so it's equal to angle in the alternate segment. So we can just simply say, if you don't want to waste words, we can say alternate segment angles are equal. So let's use that. I think that sounds better, right? Alternate segment angles are equal. Oh, we've actually learned so much about second theorem. Make sure you go to the videos, and secondly, find similar questions related to this second theorem, and practice. Remember, practice makes perfect. Okay, practice as many questions as you want, and if you don't have a question, you can ask me. You can join us in our WhatsApp group. Check our bio for it. Ask me. I am the admin, and you can ask me for questions related to second theorem, and I'll send that to you. So practice, and don't forget, subscribe. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next video.